Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify Flow with AI for automated refunds handling. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify admin dashboard. Locate the Apps section in the left-hand menu. Click on the Apps link. Search for Shopify Flow in the App Store. Install Shopify Flow if you haven't done so already. Once installed, open Shopify Flow from your app list. Now, you need to set up a workflow for handling refunds. Select Create Workflow on the Shopify Flow dashboard. Start by selecting a trigger for your workflow. Choose an appropriate trigger, such as Order Created. Next, set a condition to determine when a refund should be processed. Click on Add Condition and select the relevant parameters. Consider conditions like specific product types or order values. Now, you will need to integrate an AI tool for handling refund requests. Choose an AI service that offers refund automation capabilities. Sign up for the chosen AI service and retrieve your API key. Return to Shopify Flow and click on Add Action. Select the Send HTTP Request option. In the HTTP request settings, enter the API endpoint provided by your AI service. Include your API key in the headers for authentication. Map the necessary data fields from the order to the API. Ensure that details like order ID and customer information are included. Test the API connection to confirm it's working correctly. Once the connection is confirmed, finalize your workflow. Name your workflow something descriptive like automated refund handling. Activate the workflow to start processing refunds automatically. Monitor the workflow performance through the Shopify Flow dashboard. Adjust your conditions and settings as necessary for optimization. Consider refining your AI settings based on the outcomes. Review the success rate of automated refunds regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.